you self-manage your rental property? Let's talk pros and cons. So you've got some rental property? Maybe you're thinking about taking it over and managing it yourself? Maybe you're thinking about hiring a property manager? Maybe you're just curious how the other shoe drops? Well, let us talk about the pros and cons, so that way you can make the best decision for your situation. Pros of self-managing. There are definitely some benefits to self-managing your rental property. The biggest one that we see all the time is, of course, you save on management fees. By not having to pay someone else to manage it, you can pocket that money. No. 2 is you have full control over all operations. If you want to use a certain handyman, or if you want to use a certain landscaping company, you have that freedom. And no. 3 is you have direct oversight of tenants and repairs. So when something breaks, you can address that immediately. You can address tenant concerns immediately. You're on top of everything. Cons of Okay, so now that we talked about the good stuff, let's talk about the bad stuff. And the first thing we would say is this. It is extremely time draining. We're talking about late night phone calls from tenants. Having to address repairs right away, sometimes having to go to the store and pick up supplies for these repairs while you're on a lunch break from work. And don't forget about rent collection, late charges, eviction notices. It can really be quite a headache. Second is legal risk. Are you 100% confident in landlord-tenant law? Because if something goes wrong, if there's an issue with a tenant, do you know exactly where you stand? Do you know what your options are? Do you know how to proceed? Or are you going to have to call an attorney and spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars? And third is limited resources. You are the manager, you are the accountant, you are the handyman, you are the contractor, you are the lawyer. And quite frankly, unless you have experience in all those areas, you're probably going to struggle. And struggle means added stress, which we know none of us have enough of. Okay, so let's get down to it. Why should you partner with a property manager? Here are just a few reasons why you should consider partnering with a property management company. And these are coming from actual property owners, just like you, who have made the switch from self-managing to using a property manager. First and foremost, maintenance and construction. We have an entire team dedicated to maintenance and construction, so no matter what comes through the door, no matter how big or small, we can take care of it. Secondly, we have an in-house CPA, so not only are we handling all of your accounting needs, but our in-house CPA can also help set you up for success with tax planning and more. Thirdly, we have partnered real estate attorneys who can help guide us and help you through any legal issues that may arise. Fourthly, we can help with leasing, marketing, and tenant screening. As property managers, we spend every day marketing properties, showing properties, meeting with tenants, so we have a lot of experience and expertise in this area that you might be lacking. And fifth, local expertise. Whether you're in Metro Detroit or anywhere else in Michigan, we've got you covered. We have boots on the ground in every market that we serve, so you can rest easy knowing that your property is in good hands. So if you're thinking about self-managing your rental property, weigh out the pros and cons. Think about your schedule. Think about your expertise. Think about your comfort level. And if it doesn't feel right, reach out to a property manager. A good property manager will alleviate so much stress, not only for you, but for your tenants too. Remember, you always have the option to reach out. No matter where you live in Michigan, we are here to help. Give us a call today.